Today we are going to be playing with some slimes. Here I have 8 of them, and y'all are going to vote which one do you think is the best slime. First, we're going to start with a random draw. So, let's mix these up. Ow, that hurt. This one. Okay, purple. Let's move these out of here. Okay, so the purple slime. This one's pretty stretchy, and this one's clear. Has lots of glitter. It's not sticky. Has sort of good pokes. Okay. This is purple. If you like this one, hashtag glitter is the way to go. Or purple. Hashtag purple. Okay. This one. I think it's like a turquoise. Sort of. It's kind of sticky. As you can see, it's sticking to my hand a little bit. But it's not really sticky. It has good poke. It's really stretchy. It has lots of glitter like the other one, but yeah, so if you like this one, this is either hashtag number 2 or hashtag greenish, bluish. Next slime. Oh, this one. This is a pink regular slime. As you can see, let me pull this out. Kind of jiggly, kind of sticky. It's this pink regular slime. Kind of jiggly, sticky. It has a little bit of glitter in there. It's kind of stretchy. Kind of has a good poke. And this one's just a slime. Nothing special about it. Maybe a little floppy, but nothing else. Next one. Oh, this other pink one. This one's a clear pink though, and it has lots of glitter. I think this one's really stretchy. It's not sticky. It has a really good poke. And yeah. If you like this one, hashtag pink clear slime is the way to go. Or number 4. Okay, next one is this one. That one's really sticky. Trying to plate it fast. It doesn't stick to me. Really sticky. Really stretchy. Has lots of black glitter. Yeah. Hashtag sticky if you like this one. Or Halloween. Now, we only have 3 more. Okay, this one is my ocean blue slime. It's clear. It has a good texture. It's sticky, or it's not sticky, but stretchy. And it's clear. Honestly, I think this one's my favorite, and probably the pink one too. Hashtag ocean blue if you like this one. Next one. Is this green one. It's clear. It's nice and stretchy, not sticky. This one's a pretty good slime. It has glitter, but this one's cool too. Hashtag green glitter if you like this one. And last but not least, the clear. It doesn't look clear, but it is. Because the camera makes it look a little white because the lighting. I think we'll leave it dark because you want to see the clear. Even you can't really see it when it's dark. The lighting's not very good when I do that, so yeah. This one's not sticky. It's pretty good. Well, you just saw it stick to my hand, but it's good. Stretchy. It's nice. Yeah, I like this one. Hashtag clear.